Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to open an international TikTok account no matter where you are. So now, if you're in Africa, I'll be showing you how to open an international TikTok account that is going to show that you're not in Africa. For those of us over here, there are a lot of restrictions on TikTok. Let's say, for instance, you have a content that is supposed to go viral. If you're in this part of the world, there are slim chances that that content will go viral. But if you're in a place like, let's say, US or UK, those contents are likely, or that content is likely to go viral. And secondly, there's the monetization part, where there are restrictions on accounts of those in African countries. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to open an international TikTok account to boycott those restrictions. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification button, that's the bell, so you'll be notified whenever I create more contents like this. Please subscribe to my channel because that will encourage me to create more contents like this. Now, to create an international TikTok account, you need a VPN. The VPN is going to help you hide your location, keep your location hidden. Okay? Because without the VPN, it's just going to show where your location is, and you'll still be restricted. So you need a VPN to hide your location, and you need a Chrome browser. If you're using your phone to open a new TikTok account, you can decide to use your phone, you can decide to use your PC. It's still the same procedure. Now, if you're using your phone to open the account, you need a Chrome browser, even if you're using your PC. Okay, the first thing you need, like I said, is a VPN to keep your location hidden. You need a Chrome browser, and you need an email account, because you're not using your phone to open this new account. What you're using is an email account, because if you use your phone, you've lost the purpose. Okay, you've lost the purpose of keeping your location hidden, because here we are trying to open an international TikTok account, and if you use your original number to open this account, it's just going to show where you are. Okay, so instead of your phone number, you use your email. All right, so there are different VPN you can get. Some are free, some are paid version. Okay, you can just go to your Play Store or App Store to get the VPN of your choice. Okay, there is Thunder. I believe Thunder has a free version. You can decide to install Thunder. Okay, you can decide to install Secure VPN Saver. For me, I use the Secure VPN. That's the one I use because it's a free version. So you can decide to go for the one of your choice to help you open a free international TikTok account. Now come with me as we head over to TikTok. Now you also need your TikTok app, but for this purpose of this video, we're going to use the desktop version of TikTok. We're not using the app, we're using the desktop version of TikTok. Okay, thing to do is to turn on your VPN. Do not forget to turn on your VPN, because you're using your VPN to keep your location hidden. You're using your VPN to show that you're in an international location and not your original location. So do not forget to turn on your VPN. If you've if you don't turn on your VPN, you've lost the purpose of creating this new TikTok account. So after turning on your VPN, the next thing to do is to go to Google Chrome and type in tiktok.com, and you send, and it's going to take you to the TikTok version. Okay, it's going to take you to TikTok version. Now you can decide to create a new TikTok account. You can decide to use desktop, change your site to desktop site, or you can do it like this. Okay, the next thing to do now is to click on this profile icon to go to profile and click on sign up, because you're opening a new account. So you click on sign up to open the new account. Sign up. It's taking us to the sign up page. They said use phone or email to sign up, continue with Facebook or continue with Google. Now you're not using the two last options. You're not using continue with Facebook, you're not using continue with Google, you're using your email. So simply tap on use phone or email. Now you have to fill in your age, because they are trying to ascertain if you're old enough to use TikTok or to be on TikTok. Now let's just go with 1997. Let's say that's our birth date. We'll click on next. So now they are telling you to add your phone number. My VPN shows I'm in France. Okay, so that's why you're seeing this international number. If you're in the UK, if you're in the United States, it's going to show the number format of the United States or the US. Now we're not using a phone number, we're using our email. So we're going to turn to the right and click on email right here. It has shown us that it has taken us to the email. Okay, we're just going to put our email right here. This is it. We're going to tap on next. You click on get trending content and newsletter promotions before you tap on next. And once you've created your new TikTok account through the desktop version or through Google Chrome, you're going to head over to your TikTok app. Okay, the next thing to do is to head over to your TikTok app. Do not forget to keep your VPN on or to keep your VPN open. Do not turn off your VPN because you still need it. So let's say you have other TikTok accounts or you have your primary or main TikTok account. Now you're going to head over and add the new TikTok account to your list of accounts or to your accounts. Okay, please turn on the VPN, because if you turn off the VPN, it's going to show that you're where you're not supposed to be, or you're where you said you aren't. So the next thing to do is to click on your profile on your name up and add the new account you've just created. So click on it and go down and click on add account. You see, add account. Now you've already created it, so you're not creating a new account. You're just going to go down below here and click on login to input the details you used in opening the new international account. Okay, click on login. They said use phone or email or username. So if you want to use the username you used in opening the international account, you can input the username here. If you want to use the email you used in opening the new account, you impute the email. After you input the email, it's going to take you to the password page where you will input the password you used in opening the international TikTok account. After that, it's going to take you to your account. Okay, so what you need to do when it takes you to your account is to set up your profile picture, set up your profile, the name you want to use, and start following accounts you like on TikTok, and start creating your content so your content will go viral and so people will notice you. With this international account, you have access to monetization, unlike your previous accounts where monetization is or might be restricted. Okay, so what you do is whenever you're logging into this account or whenever you're using this account, you turn on your VPN. So it's going to show the location you want it to show you. Do not forget that whenever you're using this new international TikTok account that you opened, do not forget to open your VPN. Do not forget to turn on your VPN, else it will show your original location. Okay, your VPN when you're posting your content, very, very important. So we've come to the end of this video. This is basically how to open an international TikTok account. It's not difficult. As long as you have your VPN, you have your Chrome browser, or you have any browser you're using, you can decide to use your phone to do this. You can decide to use your PC. You can decide to use your desktop computer. Just follow the steps I just showed you, and it's as easy as that. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Go through my channel to watch other videos like this that might educate you or that might be informative to you. See you next time. Bye.